papers at our home, right? Today we're going to make a paper basket with any of these papers. If you want it colorful, you can use colored papers also. Without wasting much time, let's get started. For making this paper basket, we need a glue gun, scale, pencil, scissors and any kind of paper like newspaper, old notebook papers, magazine papers, or even you can use colored charts also. Since our concept is recycling and handmade, we are taking last year's GRT calendar. First, we need to cut the paper into 12 by 5 cm size strips. Depending on the size of the basket, we might need more or less number of strips of paper. While cutting, make sure that you are cutting all the strips in the same size. If you cut bigger and smaller, we can't weave the basket nicely. Take a strip of paper. Here I took 12 cm length and 5 cm width paper. Fold it into half in lengthwise. Again fold it into half by lengthwise. Then fold it into half horizontally to make a crease at the center. From both ends of the strip, fold it into the center. Finally, you will get a folded piece of paper like this shown in the video. If you want to make this kind of basket craft, first cut the strips of paper and you can fold them while watching a movie so that you don't get tired of folding. If possible, involve your family members also. Here we need 120 pieces to make the basket. Weave the loops by inserting each loop into another from the clearly folded ends. First time when you try to weave a loop, we always end up in confusion. So remember one thing, we should insert each loop into another in the clearly folded end only, not in the open ends. And since we took calendar paper, it's a bit stiff and I need to open the loop with the help of a toothpick. Like this, weave each strip with 26 pieces. If you want a bigger basket, you can use more number of pieces. For each strip, we use 26 pieces and for 4 strips, we need 104 pieces. And for handle of the basket, we need 16 pieces. In total, 120 pieces. Our 4 strips are ready now. Attach the ends of each strip as shown here. It forms a circle shape. Now glue each layer together using glue gun. Let's make a base now. Cut out a circle of the same size of the basket from a cardboard. Glue the same GRT paper to this base, both upside and the bottom. Glue the basket to the base. Here is our basket. If you want, you can leave the basket like this. If you want, you no need to attach the handle, but I want to attach the handle to this basket. Weave a strip of 16 pieces to make the handle and glue it to the basket as shown. Here is our lovely paper basket. If you want to use it as a pen holder, no need of attaching the handle. It was lovely, right? For more recycling crafts, keep watching this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.